Hey guys, welcome back for another video. My name's Jimmy. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. On this channel we talk about all things homesteading, life hacks, prepping, all that kind of thing. Sometimes there are things that don't really require a whole video, a big 10-minute long video or more than that. Sometimes you have these little tiny life hacks that can be explained in a couple of minutes. So I might try to start throwing some of these out there on the channel. I'm going to call them the Friday Freebie. So for this Friday Freebie, I'd like to talk to you about vent registers. These are the vent registers that you have in your house. If you're trying to dress up your house, whether you're trying to just make it look nice, or if you're trying to get ready to sell. Maybe you're still stuck in quarantine and you're just looking for something to do. This is one of the things that you can do, those little details that make your house look a little bit nicer. You can get like the really super nice looking wood ones, different designs and things like that. You can throw as much money as you want at it. What I'm choosing to do though with these old ones is just grab a can of Rust-Oleum and paint them, throw them back down on the floor. All you got to do is make sure that you get a rag, clean them out really well, and then spray paint them, and then once they're dry, put them back. You got brand new vent registers. You didn't really spend a whole lot of money other than a couple cans of spray paint. So anyways, that's my Friday freebie. We'll catch you guys on the next video.